Hey y'all, I'm back at it again. Well, I did some more stuff out here in the van, and so uh, brought the mattress out, got up there and tried it out. It's not easy to get up there, but one thing for sure is I won't be getting in and out of a bed all day, so that's like a one-day thing. I mean, one part of the day event, one or two. Sometimes you got to take a little cat nap. So anyway, and then I brought some other stuff. So let's see. Okay. I think this will be good for, it's a good storage thing, and I can cook on that. I'll put a little cover in there and use my little stove on that. So, and the other little part there, I can sit stuff on. I'm going to have to do a little tweaking and setting up things a little tighter, but I have secured the bed part, and I'm going to secure all of this. So ain't nothing going nowhere because this is snug with the back door, and everything is compacted, and I'm going to bring I got a cute little bed covering I'm going to bring out for the bed. Put that out here. So that'll be my next project. Okay, so stay tuned.